Welcome to Azaan Construction, your trusted channel where we explore modern building ideas, elegant design concepts, and the latest trends that can transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary works of art. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most powerful elements of interior decor, modern wall decor designs, a topic that can completely change the look and feel of your home or office with just a few thoughtful choices. Modern wall decor has evolved rapidly in recent years, offering limitless creativity, affordable solutions, and stylish options for every type of space. Whether you live in a small apartment, a large villa, or you are designing a commercial property, the walls around you hold massive design potential. Walls are like blank canvases. They can express personality, create moods, and define the identity of a room. When planning modern wall decor, the first thing to consider is the overall theme of your interior. Some people prefer a minimalist modern look with clean lines and soft tones, while others want bold, artistic, dramatic, or luxurious designs that make a strong statement. Modern wall decor is not just about decoration, it is about combining aesthetic beauty with practical functionality, ensuring that the walls contribute meaningfully to your living experience. One of the most popular approaches today is the use of 3D wall panels. These panels come in geometric, wave, floral, and linear patterns that add depth and texture. 3D panels create shadows, highlight contours, and give walls a sculpted architectural feel. Materials like PVC, gypsum, metal, or high-density foam allow designers to use these panels in living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, and even offices because they are durable, lightweight, and stylish. Another trending category is accent walls, where one specific wall becomes the highlight of the room. Accent walls can be created using ultramodern options like fluted wooden panels, stone cladding, marble sheets. Speaking of lighting, LED-based wall decor has become a revolutionary design element. Hidden lighting inside grooves, behind moldings, or around geometric panels adds a futuristic touch to your walls. LED lines can highlight artwork, create glow effects, or even act as wall sculptures themselves. With adjustable colors, the ambience can be changed from calm warm white to vibrant color accents during events or gatherings. Another powerful modern strategy is large-scale wall artwork. Instead of small frames, today's trend is oversized paintings, digital art prints, canvas textures, or metallic sculptural pieces that stretch across significant wall space. These bring depth, emotion, and creative expression into the room. Many people now prefer abstract art, minimal line drawings, or nature-inspired prints that match their room's palette. Next, we have mirrored wall designs, which are a classic yet timeless option in modern decor. Mirrors make rooms look larger, brighter, and more elegant. Today's mirror decor trends include tinted mirrors, geometric patterns, diamond-cut panels, and LED-framed mirrors. They are commonly used in entrances, dining rooms, and bedrooms. A properly placed mirror can transform space dramatically without changing furniture or layout. Textured paint techniques are also becoming a top choice because they bring a modern, handcrafted feel to walls. Options include stucco textures, sandstone finishes, metallic strokes, silk paints, concrete textures, and art-based finishes that enhance wall depth. These techniques work brilliantly for feature walls and can be customized in thousands of styles and colors. One of the newest additions to modern decor trends is acoustic wall panels, which are not only stylish but also improve sound quality in your rooms. These fabric-based or foam-based panels come in various shapes, hexagons, waves, bars, and grids, and are ideal for home offices, media rooms, and bedrooms.